Hey everybody, this is Antonio Coleman here. This is Poppa Home. We'll be talking about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. We're out here at one of our new flips here, and I'm just gonna give you guys a run through of the inside of the property. It's already been gutted. The living room had carpet. We took that up. The hallway bathroom was fully gutted. The master bathroom was fully gutted, and both of the bedrooms had carpet. We fully gutted those as well. Also, the kitchen, what we did, we took up the countertops. We're gonna change the countertop and put granite back down. And also, you're gonna notice that we added a third bedroom inside the house. It was a 2-2-2, but we changed it to a 3-2 now, and so we added a third bedroom. But we're talking about a 2,000 square feet house, which probably should already had a third bedroom as well. So come on, just follow me here inside. When we first get inside, first thing we're gonna see is the third bedroom. I'm gonna have some pictures where you're gonna be able to see that right here. When we enter into the third bedroom, it used to be a den, and this was just a den. But the good thing about it does has a closet. So this is what makes this a bedroom. It has a legal closet. We're gonna finish up new flooring, crown molding, quarter round, new ceiling fans, and this is gonna be pretty good spot. So we're gonna head over here. The guys been out here working mostly all today. You look over here, we done textured the walls here. We got it all taped off. We're gonna texture the wall. We're gonna go with a nice paint color, put more crown molding down, more quarter round. And also on this side here, we have the kitchen where we took up most of all the cabinets. Not the cabinets, but the countertops. We're gonna change out all the appliances. All the appliances are gonna be stainless steel appliances. We're gonna have a brand new wall oven, brand new countertop oven, dishwasher, and refrigerator as well. We're gonna put laminated floors down as well. So also you can see over here, this was the entrance where you can look into the den. We're gonna close that off, and we're gonna shape this up, and we're just gonna make this one part of the kitchen going into another bedroom. But definitely follow me over here. We're gonna roll into the den. This the den area. I named this house Granite House. Granite House is because that's an old house that she got old carpet, and that's what it was. Old carpet here, the old chandeliers, and it had a nice mirror here. But we had a contractors come in today. We done pretty much texture the walls, get everything ready and prep for the crown molding. So as you can see, we got good floors here, but it's going to cost too much money to refurbish these floors. It's best to just go back with laminate. We got some chandeliers here, 50, 60-year-old chandeliers that we're going to get rid of. Put new ceiling fans in here, recessed lights as well. So follow me into the hallway bath, and inside the hallway bath here, we pretty much completely gutted this thing. The next time you see this place, it's gonna be a brand new bathroom. So, but what you see is pretty much down to the studs. Took out all the old stuff. We took out all the old stuff, and we're gonna put in brand new stuff, brand new vanity, toilets as well. It's gonna look good. The tile that we picked out is very unique, and it's gonna translate to what the vanity colors are, which is gonna be like a navy blue if we don't change our minds. But it's gonna look real good in this bathroom. So we're gonna go out. We're gonna go into bedroom number 1 here. Just a simple bedroom. We took up the old floors, textured the walls. We're gonna change the ceiling fan, new crown molding, paint, and make it look a lot more better. We're gonna paint the trim. We're gonna put down laminate floor. So we're gonna go inside the master bedroom now. So this is the master. We pretty much did the same thing. Took up the flooring. I'm gonna put more crown molding around. take out the old ceiling fan, put a brand new ceiling fans in. No reset slice in here because the ceiling fan is going to have a nice bright light. So no reset slice in here. We got a his and hers closet. so you got a his and her closet where she have her space and he has his space as well. Okay. But also when you come on this side here, we got, as of what you see now, we have some space here for more storage, but we're going to get rid of that. And I'm going to tell you the reason why here in a moment. This door here is being closed off to the third bedroom that's going to be on the other side of the house. So this is going to be closed out. So in the master bathroom here, a lot of master bathrooms are very giant bathrooms, but in this house we don't have that. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off this whole entire wall here. We're gonna put a walk-in shower right here, right here. Good tile, good pan with more tile at the bottom. We're gonna tile the walls. We're gonna have a nice little vanity here. And toilet, we're gonna move the wall, the opening down here. When it comes to the doorway, it's gonna be moved over this way here as well. So overall, this is going to be a nice looking bathroom. They're going to translate to the other bathroom on the other side of the house. So, all right, when you follow me this way here, we're going to go out. We're going to go back out to the kitchen here. But what I want you to see is that we found this property. We got it under contract. We got it at a real good price. This neighborhood here, these houses are selling for $400,000. So when you come in here, you got to make sure you do the right things. We got to use the best of the best stuff, the best of the best paint, and I think it's gonna look real good. So I'm here looking at what's being done, checking out everything that's within our scope of work. So when you setting up properties to get ready to flip, you have to come up with a scope of work. Everything that needs to be done, from the painting to what doors you're removing, what doors you're going to keep, to the door knobs, you're going to remove countertops, you're not going to remove countertops, ceiling fans, recessed lights. I mean, all things got to be in the scope of work. So I'm looking to see before we take care of our contractors and pay people for the work, have they done what they supposed to do? So from what I see, things here are where they supposed to be. So we're going to take care of this portion. We're going to move on to phase 2. So overall, guys, if you want to get into real estate, you got to be willing to take that chance and take action. So do me a favor, comment on the videos. Hey, if you got any questions, concerns, you can comment, send me a message, send me a Facebook message, send me an email. All the information will be here at the bottom of the description. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm trying to have 100,000 subscribers. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.